Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A fascinating new approach to external memory hit the Hugging Face trending list about 5 days ago, published on May 3, 2026. The recent shift toward agentic search has highlighted a major bottleneck in traditional retrieval systems. Basically, the standard top-case similarity approach often discards precise local context before the agent even gets a chance to reason about it. The paper is titled Beyond Semantic Similarity: Rethinking Retrieval for Agentic Search via Direct Corpus Interaction. It proposes skipping the vector database entirely, allowing agents to search raw text directly using standard terminal tools like grep and find. This direct interaction boosted accuracy on complex search tasks by 11 points, while surprisingly cutting costs by nearly 30%. It is a fundamental rethink of how models access knowledge, and, as we will explore next, the way these agents localize information without an index is incredibly clever. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 plots the trade-off between accuracy and cost on the BrowseConf Plus dataset. Up on the top right, the high-capacity direct corpus interaction agent CC reaches 80% accuracy. Crucially, this setup saves over $400 compared to a standard retriever. Over on the left, the lightweight direct corpus interaction agent Lite secures 63% accuracy for just $93, which sets a highly efficient new baseline for agentic search. Figure 2 contrasts this new approach with traditional retrieval. On the left, the standard setup relies on offline index building, returning fixed snippets that can miss crucial local context. On the right, the direct corpus interaction model bypasses the index entirely. The agent uses common command line tools like grep and bash to sift through raw files. This allows it to run broad searches and instantly refine them in the terminal, pinpointing exact evidence just like a human programmer would. When an agent directly searches a raw corpus, terminal outputs accumulate quickly, which can easily overwhelm its memory or context window. Figure 3 illustrates 3 strategies to manage this. On the left, truncation acts as a simple hard limit, capping individual search results to a set length. In the middle, compaction replaces the text of older searches with a short placeholder. Finally, on the right, summarization uses the model to compress messy, older steps into a concise summary. Table 1 breaks down how these strategies are combined into 5 distinct testing profiles, ranging from level 0 to level 4. Level 0 uses no management at all. Levels 1 and 2 introduce truncation, which limits tool results to 50,000 and 20,000 characters, respectively. Level 3 then adds compaction to clear out older outputs. Finally, Level 4 deploys all 3 methods, bringing in model-generated summarization when memory limits are still pushed too far. Table 3 evaluates information retrieval ranking using normalized discounted cumulative gain at 10. This metric tracks how well a system ranks the top 10 most relevant documents. The top half lists traditional sparse and dense retrieval methods, topped by reason rank 32b. In the bottom section, the direct corpus interaction agents completely dominate. The high-capacity Sonnet 4.6 agent takes first place across the board, pushing the average score up by over 21 points. Even the lightweight GPT 5.4 Nano version secures second place overall. Table 2 shifts the focus to knowledge-intensive, multi-hop question answering. Multi-hop tasks require the model to piece together clues from several different documents, which makes finding the final answer much harder for standard systems. The top section lists traditional retrieval agents, where A Searcher Local 14b sets the baseline with a 52% average. In the bottom section, the direct corpus interaction agents demonstrate a massive leap. The high-capacity Sonnet 4.6 agent achieves an 83% average, outperforming that best baseline by nearly 31 points. Ultimately, treating retrieval as an interface design problem unlocks powerful new capabilities. Letting agents search raw files with terminal tools provides much better evidence localization than traditional systems. That wraps up this look at direct corpus interaction. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.